I'm Gaelle. I'm the Associate Director of Development Communications, and I would want to welcome you to our special teacher raffle. We want to give a big thanks to two special families. It is the Guevara Milan family and the Aboud Sidel family for making their donations for this raffle. We love our teachers at EB, and this is part of our gala as a way to celebrate the school that we all love, as well as fundraise important funds that will directly support our students, our teachers, our families. And so today we are going to pull two names. One person is going to win an unlimited laundry for 6 months through Family Laundry, and the next person will win a sailing experience on the bay with the Aboud Sidel family. So let's start. All right, the first winner is dun 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 dun. Patricia Camacho. You win the first thing, which is the unlimited laundry for 6 months. Congratulations, Patricia. She's our Spanish teacher at the middle school. All right, so the next winner is dun 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 dun. The next winner will win a sailing experience on the bay with the Sidel Aboud family. And it's Milan! Congratulations, Milan, who is our middle school counselor. We are so proud of our teachers and support staff. So we are so happy that Patricia and Milan have won. So congratulations. And we hope to thank you for supporting the gala and our silent auction. Don't forget to bid and support the school that we all love. You make the difference here at EB. Merci.